Alrighty guys, I am on the, guess what I'm on? The Boeing 787 Dreamliner, the first Continental 787 that they ordered. It's obviously now United, but this is an sContinental plane. You can see. Got the Economy Plus. We got better headphones. Our United 787 safety card. Too bad there wasn't a Continental one. We have pillows and blankets on this flight, which they normally don't have on a domestic flight, as you guys know. Again, here's the cabin. The 787. Someone's already messing with the windows back there. As you can see, this is what the cabin looks like. We have personal air vents. I'm going to love this plane already. As you know, Continental wide-body aircraft don't have personal air vents. So that's a big change. Look, we get a postcard. What else do we have in here? Advertisement for Mileage Plus. Another postcard. And later on in flight, I'll show you guys how the AVOD system works once we're in the air. No smoking, USB. You can hook my phone up to this to charge it. Again, here is the cabin. The 787. This is the coach cabin. Economy. Economy cabin. So wow. Wow. Yeah, I should I don't know where my takeoff videos will be. I guess. Windows. Here's a little no window shade. You guys can see. I guess I'll do my takeoff videos from here. And I'll do the other one. Oh wow. Alright.